Hey guys, a lot of people asked me how I did this miniature food workers video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do this with the help of AI. So let's jump in. First of all, go to the website freepik.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard and click on AI image generator. Go to the prompt section and type in the prompt. To make the workflow faster and easier, I have generated 50 prompts with 50 different types of foods. If you want these prompts, just comment link in the comment section and I'll send you the link. So copy any of the prompt and paste it in the prompt section. And now go to the AI model section and select Mystic 2.5 Flexible. Choose the dimensions to 16 by 9 and click on Generate. Wait for a few minutes until the images are generated. Once the images are generated, select any of the image and click on Reuse and select the video option. Choose the Clean 1.6 Pro for cinematic and realistic looks. The video prompt will be automatically generated. Change the dimensions to 16 by 9 and then click on Generate. This video process will take 5 to 10 minutes. Download the video after it's converted. After you downloaded all the files, import them into any of the editing software and then add some sound effects and music as you wish. Here we go. If you want the link to all the 50 prompts, please type link in the comment section. I'll share you the link. Alright, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video to your friends and leave your comments in the comment section. Follow the page for more videos.